This is the combined gas law interactive calculator, which solves for any unknown variable when a gas undergoes changes in pressure, volume, and temperature. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate final pressure P2. Calculate final volume V2. Calculate final temperature T2. Calculate initial pressure P1. Calculate initial volume V1. And calculate initial temperature T1. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Final Pressure P2. The input fields are initial pressure P1, initial volume V1, initial temperature T1, final pressure P2, final volume V2, and final temperature T2. Let's work through an example. I'll enter initial pressure P1 as 101.325 kilopascals, initial volume V1 as 1.0 cubic meter, and initial temperature T1 as 298.15 Kelvin. For the final conditions, I'll enter final volume V2 as 0.5 cubic meters and final temperature T2 as 596.3 Kelvin. After clicking Calculate, the result shows 405,300 kilopascals, which is our calculated final pressure P2. The calculator also displays initial state P1V1 T1 as 0.339846 kilopascals cubic meters per Kelvin, and final state P2V2 T2 as 0.339846 kilopascals cubic meters per Kelvin. The ratio verification confirms these ratios match with a difference of 0.00%, validating our calculation. This tool streamlines combined gas law calculations for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below.